If you haven't seen this yet, you are about to be blown away. Watch to the end to see what is waiting for you with this new release. Midjourney lovers and AI video creators, finally, it's here, what we have all been waiting for. Welcome to the world of AI-powered animation with Midjourney's first video generation model, version 1. If you've ever wanted to bring your Midjourney images to life, this is your moment. Midjourney version 1 lets you turn still images into stunning, motion-filled video clips. It's a smooth, web-based experience, no downloads, no mess. Here's what makes it special: image-to-video workflow. Upload your image and get back 4 5-second clips. Motion settings. Choose low motion for subtle elegance or high motion for dynamic energy. Animation modes. Use auto for smart motion or manual if you want to guide it with your own prompt. Want creative control? You've got it. Select camera movement, customize motion intensity, and extend your video up to 20 seconds per job. It's intuitive and beautiful. Right now, video generation is only available on the Midjourney website. Each job costs about 8 times more than an image, but you're getting 20 seconds of animated content. That means the value per second is still on par with image creation. So what's the bigger vision? Midjourney wants to make video generation fun, easy, and affordable for everyone. It may not yet match the advanced features of other platforms, but it shines in one area: gorgeous, expressive visual motion. And this is just the beginning. Midjourney is dreaming bigger, with plans for 3D rendering and even real-time open-world simulations. Yes, there are legal challenges ahead, but the journey is far from over. Join the movement, explore your creativity, and be part of the future of AI-generated storytelling with Midjourney version 1.